Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really to throw you up.
Hey friends, so I asked a poll on my channel of what is your most pressing need right now with starting a business. Some people say they need credit, right? They need money to start it. They start their business and they need to pay down credit cards. Okay, so I have something called Smart Start. Okay, and it's a training program, but it's also teaching social media also too, right? So it's a training program, okay, to show you how to start getting yourself in position to make $100,000 or get access to about $50,000. So I just trained on a class, and you guys click on the link below. You guys can get the class. So I just trained on my class. And basically, I'm helping people to be able to get 50 grand, right, for their business, okay? $50,000. We have a business credit academy to help people to get money, right? So in order for us to have a business grow, and I learned this later, in order to have a business grow, you have to have money for it to grow. Because just like in life, your business, every time you turn around, you need something, right? Or you need more money for marketing, or you need more money for inventory, right? Here's the thing about business. You don't know if your business may go viral or not. Your business may go viral. Your business may not go viral, right? You don't know. You may get 100 sales out the gate. You may get 80 sales out the gate. You may get 3,000 sales out the gate, right? You don't know, right? Especially if you're starting up. But if you are a startup business and you're like, I'm starting my business, I need some money, let me help you get bankable. Okay, let me help you to put yourself in position to be able to become bankable. Okay, so you can get some money. It's get some money so you can start a business to get some more money. Not start a business, wait to get paid to try to go make some money, and then you never make money, and that becomes a dead end street. Okay, trust me, I did it. It's a dead end street. Okay, you need money, need the money, right? So you can go start the business, right? So you could continue making money. That's the game, period. That's the game. That's the game. So if you need money for your business, you need money to start your business, right? Click on the link below. You're going to get Smart Start for $27. You're going to get Smart Start for $27. A genius system. Genius system for $27. $27. For $27, okay? For $27, you now will be able to position yourself to be able to learn about how you can access 50,000, right? Also, we're going to give you a free business scan. We're going to give you a free business scan on how and what you need for your business. Right? So you get into the Smart Start system. Again, guys, you're going to hear more about Smart Start because it's the #1 wealth building system. We got everything in this system, okay? #1 wealth building system that everyone needs, okay? So for $27, you guys get into it, start understanding it. Let me show you how to get some money so you can do your business the right way. When I first started, I had unemployment. I was using my unemployment money. Me and my husband argue over money because I was making $300 a week on unemployment and trying to do business. And it was just like kind of like a dead end street, right? Not until I actually got some other people's money. I got some other people's money. That's how it works. Get some other people money to help me get money, to get my own money. Use other people's money to go get my own money. Ain't that something? Learned that later on. Thank God I learned it, right? But if I would have learned it before, I could have made way more. So if you need money to start your business or continue your business, click on the link below. Get the Smart Start system, and I'll see you guys on the inside.